In this video, we will drill and tap the 3/4 20 holes on the face of this part. I'm on the turning tab. I'll grab the face drill up, and then I'll grab the edge of each of these holes. It brings back 3 solid arcs. I'll accept those. For my tool, I want to use number 7 face drill. I will put a comment in here. For a spindle speed, we'll slow that down a little bit. For our holder, default holder will be fine. For our cut parameters, we will use the drill counter bore. I'm not sure we need to peck through here. For our linking parameters, I'll do a clearance value of 0.1, retract to 0.1. For a depth, I'll go out and I'll pick the bottom of the hole. Brings back -250. We do want a tip comp to get it through the hole, and we'll break through an extra 20 thousandths. So we'll comp for our tip and break through, and that should do it. We do have a choice on our rotary axis control whether we want to use a Y or a C. Now, of course, your machine has to have a Y in order to use it, and it is a different approach to how the machine is processed. I'm going to go ahead and use the C axis here. So that looks pretty good. We'll do a quick back plot. That looks good. To tap it, I'll copy the face drill op using the Control-C, Control-V option. For parameters, we'll go up and change our tool. So we want the 1/4 20 tap. Of course, we'll change our comment here. We'll call it a 1/4 20 tap. Now I'm going to leave our speeds and feeds here for now and see what happens. Default holder is okay. For our cut parameters, I do want to change our cycle. We'll change that to tap. And we'll come back and take a look at our speeds and feeds now. So you can see our feed per tooth is now 50, which is correct for a 1/4 20 tap. Our spindle speed's a little high for tapping, depending upon material. We'll make that 750. You'll also notice when I enter this, our feed rate per minute will change. So again, we want to leave it on the C axis, just like we drilled. So this should give us a good tool path. We'll back plot them both. Looks good. Tap, tap, tap. We're getting through. So it looks good. There's our drill and tap on a face. Let's take a look at the plane that this created. So if I go to planes, you'll see that we're using the lathe upper top, upper left top. And if I look at my planes, you can see that the Mastercam created the lathe upper left top for me. So there's one of the benefits of using the C-axis toolpath.